Troubleshooting an LG air conditioner with no power.
Text boxes at the bottom of the screen from left to right: intro, power cord/outlet, circuit breaker, GFCI power plug, safety tips, more info. The intro box is highlighted.
Your LG air conditioner will cycle on and off when it reaches your desired temperature. If the unit will not turn on, or if it powers off unexpectedly, there are some troubleshooting steps you can take to diagnose and resolve the issue.
A photo of a young woman taking the filter cover off of the LG air conditioner.
First, unplug and inspect the power cord for damage or fraying.
A hand unplugs the power cord from the outlet. A closer look at the power cord shows exposed green, red, and blue wires. The power cord/outlet box is highlighted at the bottom.
If the cord is damaged, it will need to be taken to a repair center or call a technician to replace it.
A technician tends to a power cord in a repair center.
Make sure the outlet is a properly rated, protected, and grounded wall outlet.
An instrument reads 240.
Plug another electrical device you know to be working into the wall outlet to verify that the outlet has power.
Another power cord is plugged into the socket.
If the outlet is not receiving power, check the circuit breaker or fuse dedicated to the air conditioner to see if it has been tripped or blown.
A switch is flipped to the right in a circuit breaker. The circuit breaker box is highlighted at the bottom.
Reset or replace if necessary. If the circuit breaker or fuse is fine, contact an electrician for further assistance. After verifying that the outlet works, press the reset button on the power plug, and then press the power button on the air conditioner control panel. If the unit fails to power on, unplug it and call for repair service.
A woman is on the phone. The GFCI box at the bottom is highlighted.
If your unit has a ground fault circuit interrupter or GFCI power plug, press the test button on the plug, then press the reset button and follow by pressing the power button on the air conditioner control panel. If the unit fails to power on, unplug it and call for repair service. If the unit does power on, the safety relay may have tripped, causing the power off condition.
A photo of the air conditioner unit in the window. The safety tips box is highlighted at the bottom.
Here are some tips to ensure the safe and efficient operation of your LG air conditioner. Do not alter or modify the plug or cord. Do not use an extension cord with the unit. Do not use an adapter with the unit.
A red circle with a line through it appears over an extension cord and an adapter.
Replace the batteries in the remote control if necessary. If using the LG SmartThin Q app, make sure your smartphone has an adequate signal and that your unit is properly connected to your network.
A phone shows the LG SmartThin Q app.
For further assistance, you can easily find our contact information on the LG.com website. Go to the support menu to ask us more questions.
At the bottom of the screen are icons for Twitter, Facebook, live chat, email, and telephone. The more info box is highlighted at the bottom. This video is provided solely for informational and